देव खुश रहो. This is JVN Dr. Brajraj Singh Chauhan, Associate Professor, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur, Department of FEM. Program is B Pharmacy, first semester, and course is Remedial Math, and session of today is uh, differentiation of function of function. So in this case, we have applied the chain rule. Here there is some problems in front of you. First, differentiate sine x square with respect to x. Here, see the problem, sine x square. So this is the function of first x square, then function of sine. Here we can say function of sine, then function of x. Now let us suppose let x square is equal to t. Then differentiate this sine x square. So differentiate ddx of sine t. Here differentiation is with respect to x and function is t. T is the function of x. It is because t is equal to x square. Then the differentiation of sine t is equal to cos t. Sine t, differentiation of sine t is equal to cos t, and x square and t is differentiating with respect to x. Again t is differentiating with respect to x, or this will be the ddt of sine t into dt upon dx. So differentiation of sine t is cos t, and differentiation of t, that is x square, is ddx of x square, that is 2x, and final answer is cos x square and 2x, or after multiplying this become 2x cos x square. So here function sine x square. First of all differentiate sine function, then differentiate x square function. Then so differentiation of sine function is cos, that is cos x square, and x square again differentiating with respect to x, and ddx of x square is equal to 2x. Then the final differentiation is 2x cos x square. Again second problem, differentiating cosec x cube. So ddx of cosec x cube. Again suppose x cube is equal to t, then differentiate td with respect to x. ddx cos x cube can be written as ddx of cosec x t. Again differentiation ddx, differentiation with respect to x cosec t, and in the chain dt upon dx. So cosec t, differentiation of cosec t is equal to minus cosec t cot t, and ddx of t is nothing but x cube. So putting the value of t at the place of t, x cube, and differentiation of x cube is 3x square. So final differentiation is 3x square minus 3x square cos x cube, or cot x cube. Differentiating log sin x with respect to x. Here this is the function of function. It is because first of all it is log function, then it is sine function. So first differentiate the log function, then differentiate sine function, or by the substitution sine x is equal to t, then ddx of log sine t, and ddx of log t, and ddt of log t into dt upon dx in the chain. So differentiation of log t is equal to 1 upon t, and differentiation of sin x is equal to cos x. So putting the value of t at the place of t, it become 1 upon sin x into cos x, or differentiation cos x upon sin x, that is the cot x. Again, if y is equal to e to the power 3x, then find the dy over dx. Here we have to find the dy over dx, where y is equal to e to the power 3x. So in this problem, putting 3x is equal to t, then dy upon dt is equal to ddx of e to the power 3x. 3x is equal to t, so ddx of e to the power t. E to the power t and dt over dx. It is because a function of t is differentiating with respect to x, then uh, we have to differentiate uh, t with respect to x. So ddt of e to the power t into dt over dx, and differentiation of e to the power t is e to the power t, and ddx of t at the place t we have put 3x, and differentiation of 3x is equal to 3 into differentiation of x is equal to 1. So final differentiation is 3 into e to the power 3x. Again, differentiate ax square plus b whole cube with respect to x. This is first of all polynomial ax square plus b, then cube. So put ax square plus b is equal to t, and differentiating ddx of t cube, ddx of t cube into dt over dx. Differentiation of t cube is 3t square, and differentiation of t, that is ax square plus b, ax square 2ax plus b constant is 0. So differentiation of this function is 3t square into 2ax, and putting the value of t at the place of t square, then the final answer you get. I hope you all are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it very soon. Thank you very much.